Good morning, dear students. Now we are in the grammar class, English grammar class. It's the first language English grammar class. In this session, we have to understand the very important topic for 8th, 9th and also 10th standard students. Here, which is the topic we are already mentioned here. The topic name here suffix. Suffix means beginning word and prefix means ending word. Just you have to understand from this period two major concepts. The first concept is suffix and second concept is prefix. You already understand what is the meaning of suffix? Suffix means beginning word. The prefix means ending word. How we are using in a particular words of the grammar. When we are using these letters in grammar section at the time, these are all very perfect grammatical words. So first we have to understand these are having another words, ending words and beginning words. Here the first one, ending or beginning words, we have to understand from first endings. Introduction here, there are some word endings, those are considered as suffix, and beginning, and that means prefix, that can be hard to spell because when they are spoken they sound very similar to each other. Just you have to understand, once again I repeat that suffix means ending words, prefix means beginning words. When those words are to spoken to others while using connective grammar words, so we have to utilize like these letters at the end, at the beginning. So like these words, so we have to understand here some of the examples are here: able, ible, ante, anti. Like these words we have to use at the beginning of the word, at the end of the word. Just you have to understand the first point, abli or ibli, where we have to use these words here. Just you have to observe this box here. When a word ends in able, the core part of the word, that means the part before the ending, is usually a complete English word in itself. For example here, bearable, beer, bear, it's a word, it's a root word. We have to use these letters in ending. When we have to utilize these letters in ending, it gives very effective meaning. So it is considered as, here is acceptable. Accept is the English word, already it gives one meaning, but when we are adding some of the letters at the end, at the time this gives us very different meaning. The next one is, the second point is that if the core part of the word ends in a hard C, pronounced as in cab, 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 or a hard G, pronounced is in go, then the ending will always be able. Have you understand? When you have to use C, when you have to use G, those letters very hard. When you are in speaking way, at the time you have to utilize able as in amicable and navigable, like this. So here some of the most common words ending in able. The list are given here. So you have to follow these box and how to use the able. So in this manner you have to write these words in your own way, and if you are not able to understand, you have to write a few questions to the group. The next point is there. Here IBLE ABLE already completed. How to use IBLE? When a word ends in IBLE, it is less likely that the part before the ending is recognizable English word. Just you have to understand, when you have to use IBLE, it is less likely that the part before ending is recognizable English word. Example here. What is the example? Audible. Here, audible and credible. The words AUD and CRED do not exist. Those having a already meaning, when these letters we are using at the end of the word, it gives us a different meaning. That's why we are using ABLE and IBLE. The second part is there. Second point, there are some exceptions to this rule. For example, accessible and collapsible both in and in IBLE. Even though they are formed from the recognizable words access and collapse respectively. So these words already in English having meaning, but when we are using IBLE, at the time it gives us different meaning. So if you want more, if you want to learn more word like in English means, here given so many words, they are given in the box, so you have to follow these. If you are following these words, you are really understand these words and what are the meanings before the meaning IBLE and after the IBLE meaning you have to find out in dictionary. If you are not, I hope that if you are not able to understand these means, you have to respond me with the minimum every day. You have to find out minimum 5 words. Okay? Next class we have to continue this concept. Thank you.